Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 5, exercise basic questions, page 44, workbook number 1, linear equations and simple inequalities. Question number 1. Solve each of the following equations. How to solve? A part, solve. Solve mean you have to find the value of variable which exists in this equation. For example, in A part, 5x plus 2 is equal to 7. We have to find the value of x. What should we do? We have to remove the constant at one side, that is 7 minus 2. After shifting constant towards the other side, the sign will be changed. So 5x is equal to this one. You will get 5. So the value of x is 5 by 5. So the value of x is 1. So here is your result. Similarly, in B part, 2x minus 7 is equal to 3. Once again, by the same methodology, you have to shift constant at one side and variable at one side. So that is your 10. So the value of x is 10 by 2. Because it is multiplying here 2, it should be divided. So 5 is your required result. Similarly, in part number C, in C part, 15 minus 2x is equal to 9. Shift constant at other side, you will get, that is minus 2x minus 15. Here 15 is positive. When shifted from the sign of equality, it becomes negative. So minus 15, sign greater value should be used, that is minus. So 15 minus 9, you will get 6. So the value of x is minus 6 divided by minus 2. So the value of x is 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6. Minus minus will be cancelled with this, so with each other. So you will get the value of x is 3. Similarly, in D part, 17 plus 3x is equal to minus 3. Minus 3, by the same methodology, minus 17. After shifting this 17 at one side, you will get 3x. So the value of 3x is minus 20, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the value of x is minus 20 divided by 3. So that is your result. If you would like to find the value in whole number, so you can divide it, that is 20 divided by 3, 6 3s are 18, so you will get 2. So 6 whole 2 by 3, or you can say 6 whole 2 by 3 is your required result. Similarly, coming to the point E, in E part, minus 4x plus 7 is equal to minus 15. By the same methodology, shift constant at one side, that is 7 should be shifted here. So you will get minus 7 minus 4x. So minus 4x, the minus 15 and 7, you will get minus 22. So the value of x is minus 22 divided by minus 4. So after simplification, 2 2s are 4, 11 2s are 22. Minus minus will be cancelled. So you will get 11 by 2. That is your in fraction form, or in whole number you should divide 11. For example, 11 divided by 2, 5 2s are 10. So you will get 1. So the whole number can be written as 5 whole 1 by 2. So that is your required result. Now in F part, two x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5. So 5 plus 3. I have already told you that constant should be shifted at one side and variable that is xyz are known as variable should be shifted at one side and sign will be changed. So 2x minus x, so that is your 8, so x. 5 3 8, 2x minus 1 x, you will get x, so the value of x is 8. Next part is g. 9x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 9. So shift variable at one side and constant at the other side, so minus 4. So 9x, this will be x shifted at one side, minus 3x minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, minus 13. 9x minus 3x, you will get 6x. So the value of x is minus 13 by 6. This is your required result, or you would like to find the answer in whole number. So divide 13 by 6. 6 2s are 12, so 1. So you can write 2 whole 1 by 6 is your required result in whole number. In fraction you will get 13 by 6. So that is your result G. H part after G, H part. Seven x minus 14 is equal to 18 minus 4x. So constant term should be shifted at one side and variable at the other side. You will get, this should be shifted here, so you will get plus 4x. So you will get 11x, 18, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 32. So the value of x is 32 by 11, or in whole number you can write 32 divided by 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, but we cannot put greater value here, so 11 2s are 22. So you will get 0 1. So the whole number, 2 whole 10 by 11 in whole number, that is your required result. Now question number 2. Solve each of the following equation. Once again by the same methodology you have to solve. That is question number 2. That is 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 7. So multiply 3x minus 12. So again this first step is done like this. First term is multiplied with this one, so you will get this. Again, just like a question number 1 we have discussed here, constant term should be shifted at one side, so that is your plus 12, that is 3x, 12 and 7, 19. So the value of x is 19 by 3, or in whole number you can write that is 19 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18, 1. So the whole number 6 whole 1 by 3 is your required result. In B part, five into 2x plus 3 is equal to 35. So multiplying 5 2s are 10x, 15, constant value should be shifted at one side. So 5 30 and 20. 35 minus 15 you will get 20. So the value of x is 20 by 10. 0 will be cancelled, so you will get only 2. So the answer is 2. Similarly, in C part, 4 into 3 minus x is equal to minus 15. So in first step you have to multiply 4 with this one and with this one. You will get 4 3s are 12 minus 4x, and again by the same methodology, constant term should be shifted at one side. You will get 15, 16, 17, 27. So the value of x is minus 27 divided by minus 4. So it cannot be cancel, only minus minus will be cancelled. You will get 27 by 4. Okay, in whole number 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, so 4 6s are, so you will get in whole number, that is your result, 6 whole 3 by 4. So that is your result in whole number. Now in D part, two into 7 2x is equal to 11. So multiply 2 with these both terms, so you will get 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4x, so minus 4x, and this one will be shifted here, so minus 14, greater value sign should be used here, minus 3. So the value of x is minus 3 by minus 4, so minus minus will be cancelled, so 3 by 4 is your required result. Similarly in E part, two into x minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 7. So in first step you have to multiply, this 2 is multiplying with this one and with this one, and you will get 2x 10, 5x plus 7. It means constant term should be shifted at one side and variable at the other side. You have seen here that we have shifted this one and then from the sign of equality to the other side, so you will get 17 and minus 3. So the value of x is 17 by minus 3. So in whole number, 17 divided by 3, 3 5s are, so the remainder is 2, so 5 whole 2 by 3 is your required result. Now in F part, six 4x is equal to 5 into x minus 6. So multiplying 5x 36 minus 4x. So constant term should be shifted at one side, minus 5x, so minus 36 minus 9x, so the value of x is divided by minus 9, minus minus will be cancelled, so you will get 36, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, so minus will be cancelled and the value is 4. Similarly in next G part, two x minus 3 into 5 minus x is equal to 35. 2x 5 3s are 15 plus 3x. Constant terms should be shifted at one side and similar terms will be added, so 35 40 50, so the value of x is 50 divided by 5, so you will get 10. The answer is 10. Now in H part, 7 into x plus 4 is equal to 2 into x minus 4. Again, by the same methodology, multiplying, bracket should be removed. So constant term should be shifted at one side and variable at the other side, as you see here. So you will get (36) and 7 minus 2x, you will get 5x. So the value is minus 36 divided by 5. So divided, that is your required result in fraction form, but in whole number 36 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 1. So the value of x is 7 whole 1 by 5 is your required result. Now in I part, (2 into 5 minus 2x), 4 into 2, 3x. So multiplying, 5 2s are 10x, only 10, minus 2 2s are 4x, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 3s are 12x, 8 minus 10. Constant value should be shifted at other side. So minus 2 greater value sign should be used. So x 8x. So the value of x is divided, minus 2 divided by 8. So the value of x is 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, minus 1 by 4. So that is your required result. Now coming to the J part. Five x plus 3 minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. So simplify it. 5x plus 3 minus 4x plus 9, bracket removed, sign should be changed because outside the bracket there is negative sign is equal to 0. Once again, by the same methodology, homogeneous term should be added, so that is your x, and constant should be added, that is your 9 10 11 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So the value of x is, it should be shifted minus 12. So that is your required result. In K part, (7 into 3 into minus 4x, 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So multiplying, so you see here we have to remove the bracket, so we multiplying with this one like this, like this. So you will get this one. So homogeneous term should be added, so and constant term, so you will get minus 40 plus 21, so 19, greater value sign, minus 19 and minus 28 and 38x is equal to 0. You need the value of x, so 30x, so shifted plus 19, constant term should be shifted at one side, so 19 divided by minus 38. So the value of x is 19 divided by 38. You will get, whether it is divisible or not, you will get the result, that is 19 2s are 38, 19 1s are 98, 2s are, so you will get minus 1 by 2. So that is your required result. Now in I part, L part, after K you will get L part. 5 into 2x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So once again, by the same methodology, this one multiply with this one, and bracket should be removed here like this. So you will get 5 2s are 10x, 15, 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So homogeneous term should be added, that is 10x minus 3x 7x, and minus 15 and 6 minus 9, so is equal to 0. So constant term should be shifted at other side, so you will get this. Minus 9 should shifted there, plus 9. The value of x 9 by 7, so the 9 by 7. So that is your in fraction form. Otherwise, in whole number, 9 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, you will get that is 1 whole 2 by 7 in whole number. That is your in fraction form on whole number. Okay, now we have completed question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3. Question number 3. In question number 3, solve. Once again we have to find the value of a, that is 3 by 4x is equal to 15. So with sign of equality, product function, using cross multiplication, you will get 3x, 15 multiplied by 4, 60, 3x. The value of x is 60 divided by 3. So the value of 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 20. So the value of x is 20. Now in B part, two by 5x is minus 1 is equal to 4. So first of all, the addition subtraction should be removed. It should be here like this, 2 by 5x. So 2 by 5x. Once again, by using cross multiplication, that is 5 multiplied by 5. So the value of x is 25. So the value of x is 25 divided by 2. So that is your result, or in whole number, if you can write, that is 12 twos are 24, so on. So in whole number, you can say that the value of x is 12 whole 1 by 2. So that is your required result. Similarly, in C part, five minus 3 by 4x is equal to minus 1. So shift this constant term at one side, minus 3 by 4x minus 1 minus 5, you will get minus 6. So 3 by 4x. So by using cross multiplication, minus 3x multiply by 4, you will get 24. So minus 3x. So the value of x is minus 24 divided by minus 3. So the value of x is 3 ones are 3, 8 3s are 24. So minus minus will be cancelled. So you will get 8. The value of x is 8. So in D part, three plus 4 by 7x is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. So remove the whole number, 3 ones are 3, 4 by 3, and constant term should be shifted at the other side, that is 3, you will get minus 3. So you have to take the LCM, that is 3 is your LCM, 4 minus, here denominator is 1, 3 3s and 9. Greater value sign should be used, minus 5 by 3, that is 4x by 7. Using cross multiplication, you will get 4x is equal to minus 5 by 3 multiplied by 7. So you can see here the further steps. Here you can see that is 4x is equal to minus 7, 5s are 35 divided by 3. So you need the value of x. So 35 divided by 3 multiplied by 4. By using cross multiplication you need the value of x, so shift 4 here. So you will get, if cutting is possible then do it, otherwise not possible. So multiply this 35, that is 4 3s are 12. So that is your required result. If cutting is possible then do it using 5 but not divisible 12, using 3 table, 5 table, 3 table, 3 divisible 12 but 35 is not divisible by 3. So what should we do? So that is your required result. Otherwise in whole number, so divide it, that is 35 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24, 1 1. So you can say the value of x is 2 whole 11 by 12, or this one is your required result, but in whole number you can write as. So that is your result. Now next part is E part. In E part, 2 by 3x plus no, in E part in your book written here, that is 2x is equal to 0.4x plus 12.8. okay, constant term should be shifted at one side, 0.4x, and variable at one side. So subtract, that is 2x subtract 0.4, 2 minus 0.4, you will get 1.6x, 1.6x. So the value of x is divided by 1.6. So 12.8 divided by 1.6, you will get 8. So that is your required result. Now in F part, in F part 0.3x plus 1.2 is equal to 0.25 minus 0.2x. okay, constant value should be shifted at one side, so shift this one minus 1.2, and x value shift here at this side, so it become positive 2x. So 0.3 and 0.4, 0.3 plus that is 0.2 plus 0.3, you will get 0.5, and subtract it, you will get the negative sign because it is your greater value 1.2. so you can say 1.2 minus 0.25, you will get 0, that is 9.5 minus 0.95. you need the value of x, minus 0.95 divided by 0.5. so the value of x is 0.5. 1 minus 1.9 is your required result. Now in G part, two by 3x plus 15 is equal to 4x. So shift constant value at one side, so you can have, whenever you have find plus minus in between two terms and having in oblique form or bi form, so you take LCM, that 3 is your LCM, and 1 3 3 4s are 12x. By using cross multiplication, minus 10x by 3 minus 15, using cross multiplication minus 10x this 3 is multiplying with 15, you will get 45, minus 45 minus 10x, but we need the value of x minus 45 divided by minus 10. So by simplification you can use a table to simplify it, that is x is equal to minus minus will be cancelled, so you will get 45 divided by 10. Okay, if you have a table, 5 2s are 10 and 9 5s are 45, so 9 by 2 is your required result, or in whole number you can write 9 divided by 2, 4 2s are 8, 1, so you can say 4 whole 1 by 2 is your required result. Now in H part, a 1.3x minus 3.6 is equal to 4 by 5x plus 2. So shift constant value at one side and variable at the other side, you will get 2 plus 3.6, you will get 5.6, and once again you have to take the LCM, that is 4x, and multiply 1.3 by 5 multiplied by 1.3, so you will get 6.5x. So by using cross multiplication, but okay, we have to wait a little one step, that is 6.5 minus, that is you will get 2.5. 2.5 you have to write here, 2.5. Cross multiplication, 2.5x is equal to 5.6 multiplied by 5, you will get 5.6. 5.6 multiplied by 5, you will get 28. So 2.5x is equal to 28. We need the value of x, therefore the value of x is 28 divided by 2.5, that is 28 divided by 2.5, you will get 11.2. 11.2 is your required result. Now last part of this question, the I part, that is 1.5 minus 7 by 8x is equal to 2.6x plus 1 by 5. So shift constant value at one side, 2.6, and variable at one side, so plus 7, that is x should be shifted at one side, so you can see here, that is your sign of equality, 1.5 minus 1.5, 1 by 5 minus 1.5, and shift, so minus 7 by 8x minus 2.6x, x would be at one side, so 5 is your LCM, 1 minus, so here denominator is 1 multiplied with 5 multiplied by 1.5, so you can get 7.5, so the value, that is minus greater value 6.5, and here you can see once again you have to take the LCM, minus 7x minus 8 multiplied by this one, 8 multiplied by 2.6, 20.8x, so both are negative, it should be added, so 27.8 minus 27.8x divided by 8. So by using cross multiplication you can write as minus 6.5 multiplied by 8 divided by 8. So after simplification you can see here, minus 27.8x is equal to minus that is you have to multiply, that is 8 multiplied by 6.5. Okay, but we have to simplify this, 8 will be cancelled with this one, so only you get minus 6.5. Now you need the value of x, so the value of x is minus 6.5 divided by 27.8. So the value of x is minus minus will be cancelled. So but 6.8 divided by this one, 6.5 divided by 27.8, you will get 0.233 is your required answer. So by the grace of God, we have completed 3 questions, question number 1, 2, 3 of this exercise, which exists on page number 44, that is chapter number 5 exercise, the basic one, workbook 1. So thanks a lot, thank you for watching.